Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have solved many questions on a less than 500 rating question, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating question, which is how many unattempted problem. Okay, so the CodeChef recently revamped its practice page to make it easier for the user to identify the next problem they should solve by introducing some new feature. Recent contest problem containing only problem from the last two contest. Okay, and the separate is separated by unattempted, attempted, and all types. Okay, difficulty rating is the recommended drop down menu has a various difficulty rating so that you can attempt any problem that you want to solve. Okay, and the popular topics and tags. Okay, these are the some feature that have been uploaded in that have been made on a practice page of a CodeChef. Okay, our our chef is currently practicing on CodeChef and is a beginner. Okay, so the count of all the problem is a beginner is X. Our chef has already attempted Y problem among them. How many problem is unattempted? Okay, so there is given a story that a chef is doing a practice on a CodeChef and he is a beginner. Okay, means new to coding. And then the count of all the problem in a beginner section. So the beginner section, the number of questions in beginner section is X, and the chef has attempted Y question, and you just have to find the number of unattempted questions. Okay, so this is the very simple question. You just have to do the minus and you can definitely find the answer. Okay, so let's suppose there is a total question is X. Okay, X is the total question of beginner in a beginner section. Okay, and Y is attempted question. Okay, attempted, and you just have to find the unattempted question, which is very simple. Okay, so how can you do this? You just have to do X minus Y. Okay, total minus attempted question, and you just have to find the unattempted question. So yeah, you can do this. Let's take an example. So here is the total question is 10. So the total question is 10 and attempted question is 4 and unattempted question will become 6. Okay, so you just have to return this. You just have to return 6. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to take int X, which is the number of questions in a beginner section, and into Y, which is the attempted question. Okay, so I just have to take attempted. Okay, and then I will take cin attempted. Okay, I will take the input, and then you just have to create int unattempted. Okay, attempted, which is X. You just have to take X as a total, so you can easily understand that what is this question is telling. Okay, and then total, and you just have to do minus total minus attempted. Okay, attempted. Okay, yeah, and then you just have to do cout unattempted. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. I hope you understand this question.